Welcome back students, this is your Chendu Gaud. This video covers important concepts and the questions related to the course Embedded Systems under JNTUH for Electronics and Communication Engineering and Information Technology students. Make sure to work out all the concepts which I am going to let you know, and these all are the gunshot questions where out of the COVID pattern 8 questions will be asked, of which you are supposed to attempt any 5. I can assure you that 75% of the marks can be covered through these questions which I am going to let you know, and I am going to let important points also. Do not skip this video and watch till the end. The components, applications and the purpose, characteristics and examples is one of the gunshot question for sure you are going to get this time in the question paper. Later, the classifications of embedded systems based on different criteria, as well as embedded system versus general computing systems differences. This is the question for 1A as well as B as well as 2A, and sometimes they may be asking you to be from unit 2. Why? Because unit 1 is too short in structure, or sometimes you may be getting 30 marks from these, dear students. Prepare accordingly. Later, the different communication, onboard communication related to the interfaces, as well as explain the architecture of a general purpose processor is one of the gunshot question which you can expect in the third question. Later, the differences between general purpose versus domain specific processor is also one of the important question, dear students, and explain the aspects of memory allocation and mapping related to embedded systems, as well as the design and implement firmware is also one of the gunshot question which you can expect this time, and explain and talk about the actuator as well as the process selection, as well as how to change the burst frequency of a processor need to be explained with the help an example. This is the general question which is asked several times. Later, what is operating system and its types and the features of RTOs is also one of the gunshot question. I have listed out all the questions of all the units here. Please do work out accordingly, and as it is a theory subject, I have uploaded a video on how to write a theory paper, and to score a better mark in JNTUH is being the link in the comment box. Please go through it and work out accordingly to score a better mark, dear students, and it is very easy to score good marks as per the COVID pattern. Later, explain the process and its representation, and explain the process states is also one of the gunshot question. Later, to explain the different types of multitasking as well as multiprocessing models in operating systems context, as well as the concepts of shared memory in task communication is also one of the gunshot question which you can expect this time. Later, explain the term interprocess communication related to the message passing techniques, as well as device drive and the architecture and the application with a neat sketch is also one of the gunshot question which you can expect this time. And what is the role of RTC and watch timer in embedded system, along with the examples, as well as firmware development languages and the programming in embedded system C is also one of the gunshot question. Later, explain in detail about the task synchronization as well as the task communications and their differences. Later, the task scheduling as well as threads, processing and scheduling is also one of the gunshot question, where I have covered keeping in view the previous year question papers as per the analysis done by me, taking into consideration these questions. Please do work out accordingly, and do not forget to share my videos as well as subscribe to my channel. And if you are looking for any other course, please do comment as well as subscribe, share as well as like my videos, and do not forget to write your exam in point wise and may carry all your stationery to the exam. Good luck, God bless you all, and thank you.